If you want your designs to stay consistent across every screen and project, creating a design system is the way to go. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a design system in Penpot in 2026. We'll build reusable styles and components that make designing faster, easier, and much more organized. Start by signing into Penpot and opening an existing project or create a new one. Then create a dedicated design file that will hold your design system. Keeping your styles and components in a separate file makes them much easier to manage and update. Next, create your color palette. Add rectangles using your primary, secondary, background, and accent colors. Include colors for success, warning, and error states if your project needs them. A well-organized color palette helps keep every screen visually consistent. Now define your typography system. Add text samples for headings, subheadings, body text, captions, and buttons. Choose font sizes, weights, and spacing that work well together, then reuse these styles throughout your designs. Create components for interface elements you use often, such as buttons, input fields, cards, navigation bars, icons, and menus. So once a component is created, you can reuse it across multiple designs while keeping everything consistent. Group related components together and give them clear, descriptive names. Organize your assets into logical categories so they're easy to find later. A well-structured library can save a lot of time as your projects become larger. When you're ready to design a new screen, simply reuse your saved colors, typography, and components instead of creating everything from scratch. This speeds up your workflow and helps every design follow the same visual standards. And that's it. Yeah, you've learned how to create a design system in Penpot in 2026. With a solid design system in place, you'll be able to build interfaces faster, collaborate more effectively, and keep your projects looking consistent from start to finish. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Penpot tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.